today's video, we will learn about redox reactions. So basically a redox reaction is the combination of oxidation and reduction process happening simultaneously during a chemical reaction. Let us understand about oxidation first. So what is oxidation? So oxidation can be defined as addition of oxygen to a substance. Here you can see the example of oxidation where carbon when reacts with oxygen, it gives carbon dioxide. So here oxygen is adding up in the carbon to give carbon dioxide. That means we can say that here oxidation of carbon is taking place, right? Now the second method of oxidation is removal of hydrogen from the substance. So here you can see the classic example of zinc reacting with HCl, that is hydrochloric acid. Here this zinc replaces this hydrogen, or we can say that hydrogen is removed from the chlorine. That means oxidation of chlorine taking place by the removal of hydrogen. So this is the second way we can oxidize something. Now moving towards what is reduction. So basically reduction is defined as the addition of hydrogen, or basically addition of hydrogen into some substance is known as their reduction. For example, hydrogen when reacts with chlorine gives HCl. So here reduction of chlorine takes place by the addition of hydrogen. Or second way of reduction is removal of oxygen from a substance. So basically when copper oxide reacts with hydrogen, it gives copper metal and water. So here oxygen is removed from copper. That means reduction of copper is taking place here, right? So this is the second way to do reduction. So oxygen is being added to hydrogen. So we can say that hydrogen is being oxidized to water here. This hydrogen is being oxidized to water. Now in this reaction we see reduction and oxidation are taking simultaneously. That's why these type of reactions are known as redox reaction, where reduction as well as oxidation of substances taking place simultaneously. Moving ahead, we will discuss about what are oxidizing agent and what are reducing agents. So oxidizing agent, we can define an oxidizing agent as a substance which provides its oxygen for the oxidation of another substance, or which removes hydrogen from another substance for its oxidation, right? And reducing agent are those agents which removes oxygen from another substance for their reduction, or which provides hydrogen for the reduction of another substance. Here you can see the example of hydrogen sulfide, that is H2S here, and this H2S is reacting with chlorine, that gives HCl and sulfur, right? So in this reaction, chlorine removes the hydrogen from sulfur doing the oxidation of sulfur, right? Or in this reaction you can also see addition of hydrogen into Cl gives the reduction of chlorine, right? So in the first step we can say hydrogen sulfide loses hydrogen to form sulfur, right? Therefore hydrogen sulfide is being oxidized. Similarly, chlorine has gained hydrogen to form hydrogen chloride, that is HCl acid, right? Therefore chlorine is being reduced, right? Third point is hydrogen sulfide is providing its hydrogen to chlorine. Thus, hydrogen sulfide is acting as a reducing agent. That is reducing chlorine here. That's why it is a reducing agent here. Now, chlorine is removing hydrogen from the hydrogen sulfide here, right? That's why chlorine is acting as a oxidizing agent in the reaction. So this is all about redox reaction, oxidizing agents, reduction agents. I hope this all is now clear to you. Thank you.